Number 1. Yachatch Waterfall. Ranked the 5th highest in the world, the Yachatch Waterfall will steal your breath away up close. Its water sprays a long distance, and its impressive height makes it a perfect place to spend an adventurous day out. Number 2. Afka Waterfall. This breathtaking waterfall is the source of many myths and lore, the most popular of which is that the Greek hero Adonis was born at their foot and died there too. Located at a 1,200-meter elevation, this waterfall provides great views for people interested in nature and history. Number 3. The Lubala. If you've recently been researching Lebanese waterfalls, there's a good chance that you've come across this one. It's a great giant of a waterfall with a layer of 3 bridges that provide amazing views at all levels. Number 4. Uyun El Samak. If you want to enjoy a pleasant hiking experience along with a lush waterfall, the Uyun El Samak is just the place to go. Drop by the Chalal Siher Al Tabia restaurant for a bite of great food and spectacular views of the waterfall and the bridges. Number 5. Wadi Canabeh. Pay attention because this one is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Located at a height of 1,500 meters, this waterfall results from the ice melting on Mount Mekmal. Enjoy the insanely lush greenery and the jaw-dropping views surrounding the Cedars of God by visiting Wadi Canabeh. Number 6. Surgible. If you want a low-key outing but still want to see a waterfall, Surgible might be the thing for you. It's a small waterfall surrounded by fresh greenery and lots of fun places to picnic, which you can utilize to take pictures in. Number 7. Farhelda Waterfall. This large waterfall acts as a source for the Jaws River, and some farmers also use the water to help their agriculture. It has another smaller waterfall stemming from it so that you can see it as a double treat. Number 8. Yachatch Waterfalls. These waterfalls are located a little over 30 kilometers away from Beirut in the Ibrahim River Valley. It is a picturesque location with lots of lush greenery and paths to walk on. So, if you want to take a romantic walk with your partner, Yachatch Waterfall is the place to go. Number 9. Bachline. The calm waters of the Bachline Waterfall are very different from the other energetic waterfalls. Its azure colors and calming scenery make Bachline a perfect place for an outdoors a day. Hike the nearby paths or have a picnic in the vicinity for the best time ever. Number 10. Karsla. You may not have heard of this waterfall a lot, but its charming nature makes it a must-visit among Lebanon's many waterfalls. It's smaller than the other ones on the list, but the waterfalls and surrounding foliage make it look like something out of a dream. Hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.